big question. This is the best bird kids as a pet. Let's find out. Meet our best friend, Poli. He is the cocktail. Look at him. He is completely white, like an angel. Cocktails are the #1 pet bird in the world. Why are they the best? Because they are so gentle with kids. Poli head is scratches. Look at this. And they can whistle happy songs when they are late. If you want a smart, loving and beautiful pet, get the cocktail. Do you love our white prince Poli? Tell us in the comment below. Please subscribe. Bye. See you soon.